In this video we're taking an honest look at Mendix, a leading low-code application development platform, to help you decide if it's the right fit for your business. Mendix is recognized as a leader in the low-code space, offering a visual drag-and-drop interface that enables rapid development of web and mobile applications. It's particularly well-suited for enterprise environments, supporting agile methodologies, version control, and collaboration tools. The platform provides robust integration capabilities with systems like SAP and Salesforce, making it a strong choice for organizations looking to modernize legacy applications or build new enterprise-grade solutions. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Mendix's pricing starts at €52.50 per user per month for the basic plan, with higher tiers offering additional features and support. While this pricing structure can be advantageous for larger teams, it may be a significant investment for smaller organizations or startups. Additionally, some users have reported performance issues, such as slow loading pages and challenges with scalability as applications grow in complexity. Another potential drawback is the learning curve associated with the platform. While designed to be user-friendly, new users may still require time to become proficient, especially when dealing with more complex functionalities. In summary, Mendix offers a powerful and scalable solution for enterprises seeking to accelerate application development. However, it's essential to weigh the costs and potential learning curve against the benefits to determine if it's the right fit for your organization's needs. If you found this review helpful and want more honest insights into tech tools, don't forget to subscribe.